As soon as you start accepting data input from end users, you need to consider validating that input to make sure it conforms with your overall requirements. Now, WPF has some great built-in features in the binding system for validating input, and you can still leverage all those features when doing MVVM. The only thing to keep in mind is that the logic that supports your validation and defines what rules exist for what properties should be part of the model or the view model, not the view itself. You can still use all of the ways of expressing validation that are supported by WPF data binding, including throwing exceptions when a property is set, implementing the iDataErrorInfo interface, implementing iNotifyDataErrorInfo, or using WPF validation rules. In general, I would recommend you favor iNotifyDataErrorInfo. This was introduced to WPF in .NET 4.5, and it supports querying the object for errors associated with properties, and it fixes a couple of deficiencies with all of the other options. Specifically, it allows asynchronous validation, and it allows properties to have more than one error associated with them. So let's dive into implementing validation for our data entry scenario.